Hi, this is Eileen from Materialise Belgium. In this tutorial video, we'll talk about automatic support generation for metal by using eStage for metal. Designing the optimal support is a science and an art in itself. It requires good insight of your build process, experience, and know-how. eStage is a fully automatic support generation solution developed to bridge the experience gap and minimize the guesswork. With eStage, you can reduce data preparation time, recover more powder, and save post-processing time. You can use eStage via Magics directly. All you need to do is prepare your platform, go to the Support Generation ribbon, and click on Generate eStage Support of Selected. This window on the top left is for the support generation step. In other words, these supports were generated only in a few seconds. eStage generates supports using the parameter file specified in the machine properties. There are standard eStage parameter files for specific materials, so the behavior of that material is taken into account during automatic support generation. If you'd like to, you can view and modify these parameter files by clicking on Edit. If you'd like to modify your eStage supports, you can click on Manual Support and move to the support generation mode. When you click on eStage points in the eStage ribbon, your supports will be converted to points. In other words, contact points between the support and the part. Then you can add, move, or delete these points as desired. When you have made your changes, you can regenerate your eStage supports. Alternatively, you can start your support generation flow by following manual support and generate eStage points from the eStage ribbon. You can modify your points as desired, and when finished, you can click on Generate eStage Support. And here are our eStage supports ready for printing. At any stage of support generation, you can use the Materialise simulation module to check for potential build risks. You can visualize the simulation results and make necessary changes based on these results directly in Magics. If you'd like to learn more about the Magic simulation module, please see our tutorial on running simulations in Magics. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you check our other tutorial videos. For further questions about our software, please don't hesitate to contact the support line of your nearest Materialise office.